An e-gold investment is a kind of investment that transacts digital gold. Digital or electronic gold sounds like it's some kind of fake gold, but it's not. It involves the real-time and real-life transaction of actual gold, but without the hassle of transacting personally and without the risks and cost of storing and keeping the gold. Every gold that you buy and sell as e-gold is backed up by gold in the banks. So you don't have to worry that you're just dealing with imaginary gold. Transacting digitally has its advantages and disadvantages, and it's not for everyone. As with all investments, it is important that before you go all in with your hard-earned money, you know all the risks involved. Every investment has its risks. That's why it's scary, especially for those who don't have much money to spare and are first-timers to go into the business of investing. That shouldn't stop you. If you've invested correctly, the rewards of investing will weigh far greater than the risks. So it's really important that you know the ins and outs of investments. Investing in the precious metals like gold or silver is one of the many investments that promise positive results. Gold and silver don't lose their value. Gold will always be a luxury because of their aesthetic properties and because it's used to make jewelry. Silver is an industrial commodity, having real-life applications in many industries. That's why they're both wise investments. Having a few shares in the gold and silver market will give you that kind of security or a safety net in this hard and trying economic and financial times. Regardless of the value of the dollar and how high inflation rates are, gold and silver will still be gold and silver in the end. Their value doesn't decline but rather increase as they become more in demand. An e-gold investment promises less risk when it comes to investing in gold. Every transaction is made electronically or digitally. That's why you don't have to worry about where to store the gold bars or gold coins you purchased. You don't have to worry about your gold bars getting looted from your vault when the security of your home has been compromised. You also don't have to worry about your gold coins when you transact. Gold coins, especially the purer ones, are prone to wear and tear, and the more hands it touches, the more scratches it acquires, therefore decreasing their values. Dealing with gold in an electronic sense has its risks, so you better be sure of the company that you're going to do business with. Look at the background of the company. Make sure that they're legit and that they're authorized by the Federal Reserve or other government entities to transact any e-gold investment. If you have friends who have transacted their gold investments with a certain company and having done so for a few years, it's best to ask them for advice. If you find that they're actually doing all right, then your safest bet will be to make the investment like they did.